Hello, good afternoon. This is the concrete thing yesterday. This all this one from down. Say come inside the go so. The one we do here yesterday, where we used 20 bag, almost 21 bag, because we open one for Peter Patak where the cement one coal, because we don't mix already muskakam, maybe muskai pass. The other day, other minutes we call about muskakam pass, so we've been disturbed. So this is it. And this almost 21 bag. No use now, 20 no mix. No the one. Then we just for use now today 10 bag. Now this we weigh here. Before I go show you the other one. This one now we it give small problem due to the water where they come up. If we left and so at the end of the day they go more away. So because my man be pull 20 bag, there we get 10 bag there with Dr. Jallo in 10 bag. So now 40 bag. So 21 bag yonder. So one use now again 10 bag, because you see this where they broke if we left us so, because you know end. So one end down take right up yonder inside the concrete intact no more do they take so we don't know say this one laying down complete, and this half one go left now. Take God make provision. So this is it. We can use 10 bag there, they go 31 bag. Then yesterday again up we use 5 bag where they go show now. We all in all yesterday we use 27 bag. 26 bag. Then today we use now 10 and go 36. So we use the other 4 up where they go to 40 bag. So now this because we get 10 bag na store. Dr. Jallo 10 bag we buy with the 2,000 we give them. A man been buy 20 bag for the errors them all for correct. So this is it. This now the work. See your side or left. Now another 20 bag on top, 21 bag. So now this all left small side and all left. We get stone. But some sand been left for yesterday, some sand been done yesterday. Some sand been done. See the road. He said they're not pounder. Yeah. Eh? Oh, I said they're not pounder. See, where the stone they side they will fine. They're rough. So this all my 21 bag. Also we use a 5 bag. We first use 4. We will later take 1 bag for the same for complete and because we want all complete. Because we want rich one. So this is it, 5 bag we use here. We pull all our old one, we mix them back. This is the work yesterday. This is the work. Yes, so this morning. This is the work. So now this being left. Oh, complete today. Then with front here and there, where the balance for bag we left, where they can use. So 40 bag done though. Yeah, because this all will pull. Yeah. So balance of 4 bag we left, now we can use here. Apart from that 10 bag we use there. So this all. So this answer And Mr. King Kamara buy am. Already Sansan left we yesterday. No need for begin go struggle again for call. So we decide say I call for Sansan. So thank you very much, darling. Thank you. So mind this all with the pull am. So that 4 bag we mix them for yonder. With this will be done broke and I follow pull am now. Let's see. So this all with the pull am. Do concrete and back like I will do down the dung. So 40 bag done. As I said, the 40 bag we get 10. Dr. Jallo did 10. Then my husband did 10. Mr. King Kamara. Now Mr. King Kamara buy the Sansan back where the Sansan left with. So this is it. Now that we tap now. Now we don't tap for now. We pray that we will still continue. Because stone day now, Sansan day, and cement now. For complete the work. Thank you. Bye bye. A new work Monday I take yesterday. We pay up to 900 for do the work yesterday. Then today back for complete at least. Let me say first. No go no side yesterday, no go no side today. But I believe say there is reward, which is the grace and thanks and the praise of everybody again. It's my pleasure. Okay, maybe close this yesterday. Bike the come up on and shift one side. Yeah, good afternoon. We don't try for complete this one. Here now will be the gutter. And why we fight because of the water where the commander heavy the cross is higher. We cross it for be the dig. So left and I for so the way they come out so they come down. So now this one don't left. We get stone, we get Sansan, but we don't get cement. Just a small portion and all left. See from here. So yeah. So this is not 10 bag work yesterday. 10 bag now we do now. So this is it. We still get stone. We get plenty stone. We use so many stones, it's very rich. And we get the best level. So this is not the no side, the west side. This is the left. Where I go to my pen down, I will see it's in the left. This is not the wonderful roadway we don't put together. I understand it's safe. We don't complete until this part. I sorry, I will say they try for compile all the names them since the starting will start for good, but I'm so busy this media. All the days the way we they do them for calls and Sundays. Guys forget they will command them now. And also the first one they will not work with them again. So all is stressful anyway. So for put them together, I know easy. Now this way last window, that 21 bag. So now the road is. So but today decided to go out. Just want to show you the road. Mama, come, let's go. Come. So this is the edge of this. And this door left. Small portion from here. So yeah, but we no get cement at all. We no get cement. Now, the recommend the for the iron I really pay right now. Because the first one that we don't really get what we forget. But yet still we just appreciate everything because we work the way smoothly. So that's it. This is it. We work this. So when we work this is so far. So this is the other one, but you know done. We get all the 3 bags. We want to put here with this one. But the man then be late. Yes, I'm coming. Then be late for the work. You have the key, don't worry. Then be late yesterday, so but then we can't complete and tomorrow. And only 3 bags, this one, and then this. Then we don't left. So this one, 5 bags will be used here. Go down. So this is the road. This is the road. So now only this small portion don't left will meet that one. So So this is it. Thank you everyone. Anybody can help to complete, at least let me self rest, no easy while they do the road and they go no side, because just for the moment he moves small it can add for talk. So this is it. You still get stones them. You know, now all this tomorrow by God's power the completer. So this is it. Alright, thank you, bye bye. This is the Sansa. Don't worry, I will help you. Good afternoon, everybody. Yeah, we work yesterday. Bindu 3 bags, so we'll later buy 1 bag, or maybe 4 bags. Gonna be 3 bags be left. Actually 3.5. But do yeah not be complete and yeah water the take turn. So my man say well I buy 1 bag rather than, so we don't sweep the streets because it's sleepy. They have to walk there where they go. So one don't give them man this money for let them able to see the bag there now around the Sansa, because say God made the contribution and come in. So we change all outside be bad. Side the cement no rich. Try for change them all. Here all we work on this side. Now straight this. Look beautiful. Then see they don't bag the stone, because way they so they scatter people, then they mass so don't bag them. Well, I don't get them and therefore let them bag them. So this is it. Just clean the streets and make them sweep today. So at that time now, they look fine. The work in this way we do. We don't adjust this part, we don't adjust the other one, we don't adjust all. So all inside the bad work be there. We don't pull on and see how rich the cement be. And the stone and the sand ready. Get sand with the stone. So this is it. Okay, thank you. Okay. I hope this will already complete this one. And that small one don't left now. The stone day, the sand day, but the cement not there. It's actually the 40 bag go complete now, because I asked somebody. They watch or estimate from 2020 the work, 29 work so midway under, then 29 work over under. So if you compare this 20 and that 20, they take you down. So the step then I will take for check. So you say like 40 years you will complete it. And we will reach to that one road on joints too, by the grace of God. And this Sansa will get the work 40 bag. Okay.